In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to a ClickFunnels funnel. We'll start right from your ClickFunnels dashboard, so go ahead and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see an option labeled Funnels. Click on that. This will open a list of all the funnels you've already created. From this list, choose the funnel where you want to add your new thank you page. Just click the funnel name to open it. After you select your funnel, ClickFunnels will load the funnel editor. In the center of the screen, you'll either see your existing pages laid out in a sequence, or if the funnel is still empty, you might just see a plus icon. Either way, look for that plus icon and click it to add a new page to this funnel. When you click the plus icon, a drawer will slide open on the right side. Here, you'll see different options for what you can add. Click on Page. A pop-up window will open with a variety of templates. On the left side of this pop-up, you'll see different page types. Select Thank You so that the templates shown are specifically designed for thank you pages. And now you can either start from a template or build from scratch. For most people, starting from a template is faster and easier. Hover over the thank you page template you like and click Choose. Another pop-up will appear asking for some details about your new page. Here, you can give your thank you page a clear name, add an optional description, and edit the page URL if you want something cleaner or more descriptive. You can also select a style guide if you're using one, and decide whether you'd like this page to be indexed by search engines by toggling that option on or off. When you're done filling in these details, click Create Page at the bottom and wait for the editor to load. Your new thank you page will now appear in the funnel. To customize the template, hover over the thank you page in the funnel view and click the edit button that appears. This opens the page editor. To edit any existing element, like text or buttons, just click directly on it. The editing options for that element will appear on the right side of the screen. If there is something you don't need, hover over that element and click the small trash icon that appears at its top right to delete it. To rearrange elements, hover over the one you want to move, then drag and drop it to the new position. If you want to add a new element, such as an image, a button, or additional text, hover over the area where you'd like it to appear. An Add Element button will pop up. Click that, and a drawer will slide open on the right side with a list of available elements. Select the element you want, and it will be added to the page, ready for you to customize. Take a moment to review your page, make sure the message is clear, and that any links or buttons work the way you expect. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and your new thank you page is now part of your ClickFunnels funnel.